In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana effectively through a step-by-step walkthrough. Let's begin by getting you logged into Asana. To start, head over to the Asana login page. Here, you have the option to continue with Google, which is a convenient option if your Google account is synced with Asana. Alternatively, you can enter your email address directly. Once you've logged in, locate your profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen and give it a click. This will bring up a menu, and from here you'll want to click on New Workspace. Setting up a workspace is crucial as it forms the foundation for organizing your projects and teams. Next, type in a name for your workspace. Keep it relevant to your team or project to avoid confusion later. Add any team members you wish to collaborate with by entering their email addresses. This way, everyone can seamlessly contribute and stay updated. After entering these details, simply click on the Create Workspace button to get started with your organized space. Now, let's move on to creating projects within your newly established workspace. You'll want to click on Create Project. Here, you can give your project a name that clearly represents its goals or objectives. Asana allows you to choose between several options for how your project can be started. Select Blank Project if you want to start everything from scratch. Alternatively, you can choose Template or Import Spreadsheet if you prefer those methods for efficiency. Once you've decided on how to set up your project, it's time to focus on privacy settings. Decide whether the project should be private or visible to select team members. This ensures the right people have access to the information they need. After confirming your settings, click on Continue and then Create Project. Now, let's dive into the heart of Asana, tasks. Adding tasks can be done by entering the task name, assigning it to a team member, setting due dates, and including task details to provide clarity. Organizing tasks is made simple with sections or columns. Use these to categorize tasks by priority, department, or workflow stage. If you need more customization, take advantage of additional fields like tags, priority, and custom fields to enhance task descriptions and categorizations. Finally, to see things from different perspectives, switch views between board or timeline. These views provide visual representations of project deadlines, making it easier to track progress. Clicking on List provides a more traditional view of tasks if that's your preference. Utilize the progress view or dashboard to stay updated on project status and team performance at a glance. That's it for today's Asana tutorial. By following these steps, you'll be able to set up workspaces, create projects, manage tasks, and visualize project progress effectively. Happy organizing!